Time moves fast. One day, we're just talking about where to go next. And before we know it, we are standing at the foot of another mountain, Mount Mariglem. A hidden gem surrounded by rolling hills, crystal rivers, and the whispers of the wind. So come and join us and make memories that will last a lifetime.
Hi guys sa vlog ko. Shout out Darrell. Breakfast muna kami dito sa McDo. Bagbag kaya?
Bagbag na naman to, boss.
Sakmal. Sakmal kaya? Sakmal! Yeah. Pare sakmal. Sakmal kaya?
Do up lang.
Isang sinampalukan. Apat na kanin sa kabatis.
As we arrived at the jump-off point, the energy was already building up. Everyone's looking for their own kind of fuel. Some want a sting, others a cobra, and of course, there's always that one friend who swears a little gin could do the trick. But jokes aside, the adventure's just about to begin.
Ayun pala, na isang bilog po.
Nay, may sting kayo, Nay?
Wala pa ng sting.
Cobra.
Wala.
Cobra ba? Wala cobra?
Wala, urot na.
Ah, urot na.
Yun lang. Ano pa mga didirect?
Kape.
Wala.
When we arrived at the jump-off point, we had a choice. Walk for an hour and a half through the dark trail or take a 30-minute tricycle ride. A 60-minute difference. And I told myself, yep, this is it. This is the start of our adventure. So let's walk and embrace the journey. So yeah, we took the tricycle.
Ewan ko. Naka-hydraulics pa yung bakit, pre? Kunin ko.
The trail started with a straight ascent. It was still dark. Only our lights and the cold air guided us. Each step felt heavier, but the excitement kept us going. The mountain was quiet, and we were the first to wake it.
Inborn.
Boss, kaya pa?
Basic. Ako, no?
Kaya pa, boss?
Ito si Basagi.
Shout out.
Yun, no?
Okay ka pa, boss? Okay ka pa?
Kaya nila? Kaya nila?
Kaya.
Okay ka na? Kaya mo ba?
Tangay, di ba papawisan si Idol, oh?
Ay, inaantok pa. Ayun.
Ya, pero mga tuhod mo, ya. Pangatlo niya na daw tutol, eh.
Dalawang araw.
Hindi ko namin sila.
Kabong yan, oh. Pagit, ano, oh.
Dumating na yung isang ban.
Okay ka pa, Insan?
Ay, sick pa. Lexon kaya. Bombay.
Babe.
Jet?
Gabin.
Kaya pa?
Tol, dyan na sila.
Ito hindi nakakat ah. Ganyan ha.
Wow.
Baby back ribs. Pwede. Nakailang oras po kayo?
Tara.
Hi kayo, man.
Okay na?
Lex, kaway.
Ikaw na rin umakyat.
Bay puno pala.
Kuya King, pasok. Alam nyo ba,
Yeah. Ika muna dyan.
Boss Leonard. Dun sa kabilang doon. Dulo.
Kawag.
Sabi kawag. Kung pinakamataas ngayon ba ng pilat?
Pwede ba ito ba?
Bigyan. Di ba sila kasi sa knowledge? Ano kung para dito sa camera lang? Ay, nakikisali siya. Gusto niya ata. Alam niya lamang siya eh.
Papansin ka sa camera.
Delete ko yan. Delete ko lahat na ano. Medyo mainit. Ah! Easy. Oh, bala kami. Mainit sa ba?
As we hiked closer to the summit, tired but still laughing, the jokes kept us going. In the middle of the wind, sweat, and endless grass, there were still memories worth capturing behind every click of the camera.
Tol.
Hindi kasi tol, ganito yan eh. Nakakapagod ko lento eh. Picture tayo, picture, pare-pares ng damo yan eh. Diba?
Ba't ba tayo umakyat? Pare-pares bundok yan.
Kaya nga. Doon tayo picture. Sa amin, tatapat din.
Ayun o.
Tatapat din turbid natin oh.
Sugal na sugal.
Antok na tol eh. Tagal lang cash out niya oh.
Soft drink spray.
Going to summit. Going to signage. Bobby yo. What's up man?
Ano to pare? Owa.
Ay dito ba kami pwede? Picture mo tayo pare. Well played.
Ano rank mo? Bilis mo.
At the top, the air felt different. The view wasn't filled with clouds or drama, just endless greens, rolling hills, and the kind of silence that makes you smile. After all the climbs, laughs, and stops along the trail, this was the reward. Peace, friendship, and the simple joy of making it to the top.
Sweat and chemical resistant. Equal ata.
Pangat ng belo eh. Nag-iiwan ng ano eh.
Hindi ko alam kasi nagtanong pa lang ako ng galing pa dala ni Mami.
Si Aden oh.
1, 2, 3. Granted.
Kumatawan ka.
Paano yun pre?
Dito tayo picture tol. Ayun oh.
2 points. Ay, ang ganda din oh. Dito ba tayo kanina?
Picture ako naman.
Tarong to.
As we made our way down to the mountain, we stumbled upon a rock. Nothing special, just a spot on the trail. But somehow, it felt like the perfect place to pause. We dropped our bags, sat in silence for a while. Then came the stories, the laughter. Moments like that, simple, quiet, and real. Those are the ones that stay. Another memory carved into the trail of our friendship.
Ganda.
Pre.
Video pala eh.
We didn't expect the descent to be this hard. Every step needed balance and focus. But with all the laughter, it still felt fun.
Bang mo, nakubad ka na. Suntukan tayo dito, walang hanggan.
Ayan, nalulo na ano to, polis na to.
Uy. Lineman sa ano, OEDC.
Ten. Lineman na po.
Okay, sabay-sabay ah.
One at a time.
Let's go!
Ang aking mga tupa.
Pre. Asan na yung mga alaga?
Andyan na at sila'y namamastotal rumoronda.
Hindi, pwede ka model ng ano.
Gisa yung asyenda mo dito.
Lahat ng matatanaw mo ay aking kaibigan.
The reward at the end. A crystal clear river as if it had been waiting for us all along. Cold, peaceful, and definitely worth every step.
Balik, kanya-kanya na lang.
After the trail, we gathered around a small table, eating, laughing, and replaying every moment of the climb. The sleeps, the jokes, the silence, and the views all turned into stories we'll tell again.
Sino nakita ng bag?
Lahat gawin.
Dahil walang nakakit ang...
Nandiyan wala ba tayo?
Saan ba?
Nung naglalakad na pre, di ba inantay namin kayo?
Ng paakyat?
And as we shared the drink of Fundador Super Special, we were reminded, these are the days we'll miss. The days when our legs still carry us up mountains, when our laughter fills the air, and when time still lets us be together. So while we can, we make memories. We treasure friendships. Because one day, these moments will only live in the stories we tell.
Ano yun?